Hey y'all! Today we making an easy Valentine's Day or any day treat. Cajun style strawberries and sweet cream shortcake. So let's get started. Rinse a quart of sweet strawberries. These are the famous Ponchatoula, Louisiana strawberries, but any brand will do. Remove the stem and slice the strawberries into quarters or eighths to keep the pieces as close to equal size as you can. After slicing, toss the strawberries in some CAJUN Grenadine to enhance the flavor. This is not a sponsored video, but here's the brand we use. We also add some Grand Marnier orange liqueur and a bit of granulated cane sugar. The amount of sugar you add depends on your taste. Cover and refrigerate for a couple of hours. Once the sugar is dissolved and the strawberries release some of their water, transfer half of the strawberry pieces to a separate dish. Crush the remaining strawberries with a fork or potato smasher until you get a chunky puree. Then mix the pieces into the puree. Cover and return to the refrigerator. We start our sweet cream shortcake biscuits by sifting some pastry flour, table salt, and baking soda into a large bowl. To the sifted mixture, we add some granulated cane sugar. Then we use a fork to combine the sugar with the flour. Next, add some salted butter that has been grated and frozen. We are trying to incorporate like a pie dough where you see the large intact pieces of the butter. Make a well and add a slightly beaten egg, some heavy whipping cream, and some vanilla extract. Use the fork to incorporate the mixture. When the flour comes together in a ball, turn the dough out onto the floured counter and knead until the dough holds together like a smooth pie crust with very slight, if any, stickiness. You may have to sprinkle the dough with a bit of flour to get the consistency you want. Refrigerate the dough for at least 30 minutes, but an hour is optimum. Use your hands to flatten the cold dough into a disc that is an inch thick. The dough has to start out thick if you want a shortcake tall enough to separate easily for assembly. Cut out circles using a cookie cutter, a drinking glass, or whatever you have that will give you the size of shortcake you want. Place the sweet cream shortcakes on a parchment-lined baking sheet and refrigerate an additional 30 minutes. Prior to baking, top with any additional whipped cream that was left over in the measuring cup and then sprinkle with some granulated cane sugar. Bake in an oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Shortcakes should resemble a homemade biscuit, cool completely before using the shortcakes. To make the whipped topping, we add some confectionery sugar, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt to a bowl. Mix on high until soft but stable peaks form. For assembly, spread a bit of the flavored strawberries on a plate. Top with the lower half of the shortcake. Dollop a heap of whipped cream on top of the shortcake. Add a strawberry layer, and then place the top of the shortcake over the strawberries. A dollop of cream and some additional strawberries completes the strawberry shortcake. And there you have it, 100% homemade Cajun style strawberries and sweet cream shortcake, a perfectly easy to make Valentine's Day treat. If you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing. We love to have you as a part of our Creole and Cajun cooking community. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.